When the airplane is on the ground and the two fuel control switches are in cutoff, this advisory message shows. The message tells you that all engines are shut down. Cancel the message. During the engine start, the EEC monitors a number of possible start malfunctions. It will try to correct for problems as they occur. Select a malfunction to see more data, or use the green arrow to continue. During engine start, you can monitor the engine start on EICAS. Most of the engine indications are blank until the start selector is moved to start. After you turn the start selector, the fuel control switch can be set to run immediately or after a short time period. If the secondary engine indications are not in, this line shows the maximum EGT limit during start. It is shown when the related fuel control switch is in cutoff, or the N2 RPM is less than idle. Now move the fuel control switch to run. An auto start indication shows above the N2 indication during the start sequence. An idle target indication is also shown. This is the speed at which the engine can operate without aid from the starters. When the engine is at idle, the EGT start limit and the idle target indication are removed, and the auto start changes to running. The running indication is removed 30 seconds after the engine is at idle. To shut down an engine, you move the fuel control switch to cutoff. Shut down the left engine. The cutoff position closes the spar and engine fuel valves. The indications decrease quickly when the engine has shut down.